You a walking trophy, my girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friend.
Alright y'all, so I'll be showing y'all how I lay down my lace frontals, and today I'll be using the Boho Active. This is actually going to be my first time using this. I usually use the regular one, but since I go to the gym like 6 times a day, I want to see how this holds up. And I will definitely come back and tell y'all how it worked out, because I do sweat a lot in the gym. So I'm just going to be placing that all around the cap. And I usually place it on the cap and then smudge it out to my forehead. Now I'm just going to apply a second coat. And I usually apply it in dots just so I won't apply too much. This is a wig that I made. I believe I made this wig like 3-4 years ago, and I did do a video on it. I will link it in the description box down below. The only thing I keep changing is the lace frontal, because the frontal thins out after a while. But this hair is from Hjweavebeauty, and I dyed it in the color, I believe this is navy blue from the Adore collection. I did apply a little rubber band so it could fit a little snug. I feel so retarded, like I can't even put my wig on camera. Hold on. This is really crazy. I don't want it to touch the glue, that's what it is. Here we go again. Yeah, I got a big ass head, that's a problem. So y'all, this is the finished look. I did my baby hairs off camera. And I kind of ran the one curl through my hair a little bit to make it a little bit more bouncy because I felt like my curls was already dropping. So that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.